Y'all niggas, it's like the ash on the blunt. Dust y'all niggas off.
It's dirty, dirty.
Yeah. Trick or treat, motherfucker. Naughty vibe, nigga. Yeah. Brooklyn.
Naughty vibe, naughty vibe.
The realness. Naughty, you heard of us. Official shop bar murderers.
Bring it to It's ashes to ashes and dust to dust. When we touched and talk, watch we fuck shit up. Not pop the prankster, stop hop to think. You ain't gotta like me, shicey, but better respect my gangster. Stop like you a quick block swinger. My rap she's long and crooked like Chris Rock's fingers. They still linger, I peel then hit gel and put some manure on wax, cause see the weirdest shit selling. Half-hearted niggas is still telling shit smelling. Chip your fucking melon, flip your fucking felons yelling. Money out, crack a melon, rotten rascals get the herd out, the nerd out. I put the word out like word out. Bolos and some ass with bobos with some mash shit. I'm back shit, oh boy, to your bastard. Jersey to Cali way, heard me, I'm wildin', babe. Crying, hate, employing all them killers in your alleyway. Duck your motherfucker, run past another knuckle. We buck them motherfuckers, some touch some motherfuckers. Scream Mayday, full of bullshit. Some say they bullets. Suck your bitch nipple till they swell up like AK bullets. I'm an unleashed lunatic, bit to boom and sick. Fisherman, I'll find you in the net with the tuna fish. I'm the nigga with the bigger shit, no gibberish, it's niggerish. You figure this with Icarus. BK to NJ, yes, in fact, you know that Titra, Atra, Etra, 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 H is back. It's ashes to ashes and dust to dust. When we touched and tuck, watch we fuck shit up. Fuck shit up. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. When we touched and tuck, watch we fuck shit up. Fuck shit up. We don't give a fuck about you, or fuck about him, or fuck about me. Don't give a fuck about you, or fuck about him, or fuck about.
This nigga Tretch gun call Ick. On his watch like Michael when he called Kid. Y'all better all split or all get what you asking for. You bastards know we'll have your casket closed. You don't want us to blast the foe and leave the top of your fucking head split like a pistachio. Pass the dro. Shorty getting mad at it, cause when I got out my car tried to bag the bitch. When she fronted, he told her she got saggy tits. That day the Benz had me pissed. We mastered this. Y'all know we run the city of rap. This the reunion. Nigga Tretch and Vinny is back. So I told him simply relax, give me the gat, point them out, and I'ma lay all your enemies flat. We got to mash you, Glocks to blast you. This is GMG and Rock and Rascals, nigga.
Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. When we touched and tuck, watch we fuck shit up.
Fuck shit up.
Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. When we touched and tuck, watch we fuck shit up.
Fuck shit up.
We don't give a fuck about you, or fuck about him, or fuck about me. Don't give a fuck about you, or fuck about him, or fuck about.
After the fire comes the rain, after the president's pay. Even though you broke for the moment, ball in the game, tell them yo, my military be prepared for the buses. Similar to bitches, it's scary, get you near me. Running visions of overpacked prisons, millions in mixed up living precious. Each trucks, hoping to tap the polar heater, ammunition in crates. Move it out of sand as we slide down. Pistols in place, they got me feeling for currency and money. Golden, it's like a dream, singing scenes and you ball with the fish, and it's misbehavior. Got the cops, 4-5, snatching niggas' pages. Label them up soon as we start. It was hard to quit. Started out drinking 40s, moved up hard and shit. Goddamn, now I'm a grown man. I follow no man, nigga got my own plan. In my hand, got the 45. I can get live to survive, make these niggas die. While getting high, though we cry when these thugs bug. Niggas will leave in their caskets, that's what you get for being player-hating bastards. Me and my bricks on the shit, we keep a 50 on us, niggas know you can't touch us when they get to come against us. These niggas be defenseless, it's senseless, knocking niggas back on the fences. My whole clique be sick, and though we rip whole crews, niggas knew we came through drinking 22s of brook. And though we took Hennessy's, we provide our enemies with more shit. The art of war so legit. I read my name out Machiavelli with the thug life tatted on the bottom of my belly. Can these niggas understand this? My whole family is sick, it's so scandalous.
Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. When we touched and tuck, watch we fuck shit up.
Fuck shit up.
Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. When we touched and tuck, watch we fuck shit up.
Fuck shit up.
We don't give a fuck about you, or fuck about him, or fuck about me. Don't give a fuck about you, or fuck about him, or fuck about. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. When we touched and tuck, watch we fuck shit up.
Fuck shit up.
Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. When we touched and tuck, watch we fuck shit up.
Fuck shit up.
We don't
Yo, what the deal? Yo, this Big Ib, aka Chaos the Druid. Know what I'm saying? Holding it down for Naughty by Nature, Devil Icon. For all y'all motherfuckers that was popping shit that I had to go up top on in the day room, down Bordentown, Yardsville, Rawway, Acid, all that. Yo, I told y'all niggas thought it was a game. We about to see what's popping. Hawthorne, Ninja Massive. What, you don't know?
It's for all those motherfuckers that's swearing to God that they doing something, that they touching something, that they being something. Y'all niggas ain't shit. That's on my mama. Bring the drama, nigga. Fuck the drugs, these niggas making records. Y'all niggas best to check it, cause y'all gonna get your asshole tore up. They tearing patches out you niggas' asses. All y'all niggas, I don't give a fuck who you running with. This is thug life, nigga. The new generation, motherfucker. Motherfuckers is fatal, nigga. What, nigga? Young motherfucking thugs, this how we do it.